Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Budding Dentist. This is Dr. Soubya. This video is all about NEET preparation part 2. If you haven't seen NEET preparation part 1, just check the description box. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Let's get into the slide. Short-term goals, that is your daily schedule for NEET preparation. I'll start with a positive quote. You can do it. Start your preparation in the early morning as soon as possible. Morning 4 to 6. In the first 1 hour, you will do revision of your yesterday's subject, and the next 1 hour, learn tough subjects like anatomy or pharmacology or general medicine or whatever according to your comfort, which is not in your weekly scheduled subject. After that, take a break for 2 hours, 6 to 8. After breakfast, you start your preparation 8 to 12. If it is the first day of a new subject, I will start with synopsis. If it is the second day, just go with your chapter wise MCQs with explanation. After 12, you just revise what you have read from the morning. This part plays a major role to crack NEET. After that, you take a lunch break for 1 hour. Afternoon session, that is from 2 to 5. It is hard for us to learn. It is the battery down period, so that you have to push yourself to learn things. Learning with books is hard at this session. So let me introduce 3 dental apps to learn subjects and to crack MCQs. While using mobile, we will be awake, we won't sleep, right? The first app is the Crown Edge app. In the home page, you will find free lecture videos and daily MCQs. This is common for all the 3 apps, subject wise and chapter wise MCQs. For some things you have to subscribe, some are available as free. And you can have a subject wise lectures also you can attend after subscription. The main aim to download this app is to practice test series after each subject, and the subscription start from 3,000 to 13,000. You can subscribe according to your comfort. And the second app is the MDS Pro app. Here you can find subject wise and chapter wise MCQs. After completing subject, you can take free 2 sets of subject wise MCQs. You can crack here and you can get the results immediately. The third app is the MDS Prep app. It is the best app to use in the afternoon. In this app, they will post free synopsis and they will conduct live test from the same subject. It is free. Okay. MDS Prep, MDS Pro and Crown Edge. You can download this app from the Play Store. Five to 6 in the evening, you just do jogging or walking or any exercise or yoga just to tune your brain. 6 to 8, you can crack MCQs from the book 10 test and evaluate yourself and mark the questions which you made mistake, so that you can revise that at the end. After your dinner, you can customize your timing. Okay, 9 to 10 I will generally do revision only. 5 mantras in 5 months. Set your goal, know the game, work smart, be regular and stay healthy. Drink plenty of water, eat healthy foods and fruits. Okay, this is the timetable I have made for you. You can customize according to your comfort. Thanks for watching. Leave your feedback in the comment box. If you want notes for any subject, just ping me in Instagram or text in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Follow me in Instagram and Telegram.